everyone. Today we're going to take a look at a tool called Translate.it. And this is a tool that can help you if you have students who don't speak English or need some help with a different language that they are more familiar with. This is really helpful in your Zoom classes where you want your students to understand what is going on, but they might just need a little help with that language barrier. So to first get to the Translate.it tool, you're going to go to Google and type in Translate.it. And that will take you to Microsoft Translator. Now, normally, I'm going to go ahead and log out here so you can see the full login process. There we go. So normally, you are going to see your Microsoft login, Facebook login, and Google login. Normally, we would say login with Google, but because this is a Microsoft tool, I want you to log in with Microsoft because we do have that paid account. So I click on the login with Microsoft logo. It recognizes who I am. I've logged in already on my computer. And that's how I get the fact that it has my name on it, and then you're going to pick your language. For this tutorial, I am going to pick English. So that way I can speak English and you will understand what I'm saying. However, I will translate it in a different way so that the students can see. This check mark, I'm using this product in a classroom. You only want to do that if you are physically in a classroom with multiple students. So this way it only picks up the teacher. Because we are using it in a virtual environment, you don't want to check this off. So I'm going to go ahead and click enter. So I basically have a room, and you would have your kids go to the same Translate.it website, or you can give them this link on Schoology or in Zoom. And so the students would open up a new window, and I can have presenter mode on where it will always be listening and hearing me talk. So right now it's turned on, so it's going to start dictating what I'm saying into the chat. Now, the real power of this is seeing what the students see. So I'm going to move this over to the left, and I've got my student view over here to the right. So I can just give my students, I'm going to close that a little bit, give my students the conversation code, which is PWQIK. My name is Maddie, using my daughter, and her language is, let's pick Spanish. There we go. And then click enter. So now it's going to announce her coming into my classroom. And it asks if I want Microsoft to listen. I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to skip that. So now it tells me that I have company. Maddie has joined. So now as I'm speaking, it's picking up what I'm saying, however, translating it to Maddie in Spanish here. Everything on her desktop is Spanish. So the idea is that they can speak this, or they can read this language as well as understand this language. So I'm going to turn off my translator over here, or turn off presenter mode. And when I turn off presenter mode, I have to hold the space bar or click in here to type. So I'm going to try my very bad Spanish and see what it looks like in the English side. So I hold down this button. Hola maestra, me llamo Melissa. Yeah, close enough. Very bad Spanish. Like I said, I've only taken probably 2 years of Spanish, so not too bad. So they would speak in Spanish, and it's going to come over to me in English. And I also see that this is Spanish that's being spoken. So the nice thing here is that I can have one room where I'm speaking English, and I could have 3 different students, one speaking Spanish, one speaking Russian, one speaking Portuguese, all in the same room, and I can see what they see. They would see that I'm speaking in English, but it's translating it into Spanish for them. So again, very similar to a tool called Streamer that we also have available to our teachers. Just another way to do this with your students and possibly your parents. If you've got any questions, reach out to one of your tech coaches and we'd be happy to help you with any of your translator tools. Have a great day.